This time teacher told us that our homework is on Flipgrid. What is that? How do I do my homework now? First download the app from the Play Store or your App Store. Then install it. Patience, we need to wait a bit, now. Click on Open. Choose Student and then click the Next button. Time to open your Teams app, now. In your assignments, read the instructions, and then click on the Flipgrid.com link. Open with the Flipgrid app, here. Now, your iLearn email address. Choose Work or School account. Enter again, but your iLearn email address and password. Click on Accept. Read the instructions, and then, click on the camera icon to start recording. Click on Allow, and again, on Allow. Click on the camera button, now the recording really starts. What on earth is he saying? Hit the pause, and then, the green button. Now, the green button again. Then, enter your name, and click on Submit. Work done.